Welcome back to DevC Code Labs. Today I will be showing you how to set up your first WordPress e-commerce website using Electro WooCommerce theme.
Now let's get started. Make sure that you have started the Apache and MySQL servers on XAMPP. Open your browser and on the URL bar type the URL to access your WordPress admin page. Here we will continue with the previous installed WordPress on the previous video. Log into the WordPress admin panel using the details you entered during installation. Here we are successfully logged in. Now let's start setting up our first website on WordPress.
First let's take a look at our site before setting it. Click on Visit Site.
Our site looks very basic and simple. Go back to the admin panel. On the side nav go to Appearance, then click on Themes. Click on Add Theme. Then click on Upload Theme. Choose or drop the zip file here.
Click on Install Now and wait for the installation. Theme installed successfully. Click on Activate Theme. Electro theme activated successfully. The theme requires some plugins to work efficiently. On the notice, click on Begin installing plugins. Mark all the plugins, click on Bulk Action and install. Wait for the installation process. It may take some time. All plugins installed successfully. Now let's activate them. Go back, click on Bulk Action, mark all the plugins and click on Activate. This may also take some few minutes. All plugins activated successfully. Go back to the dashboard. Go to Appearance and click on Import Demo Content. Let's first see our site now without the demo data before we import it. Our site looks a little bit better, but there are even some errors. Go back to the admin panel and then click on Import Demo Data. The import process takes 10 to 15 minutes. Click on Continue and Import and wait for the process to complete.